I have another really cool tool. It's our newest tool to our fleet of tools. It's like having a second man, but he always shows up work on time, doesn't call in sick. Let's talk about some tools. We need to stop building fence like Granddad and start building fence like our kids will need to in the future. This is Mr. Fence Tools. Hey guys, Shawn King, Mr. Fence Tools. I have another really cool tool. It's our newest tool to our fleet of tools. This thing is going to help build fence faster and safer and even more accurate, right? This thing is called the XMan, and that's literally what it is. It's like having a second man, but he always shows up work on time, doesn't call in sick, doesn't complain, and doesn't have any attitude. He's happy to work every day. It's a great team member called the XMan. What is this thing and how does it work? Because it looks like it's a chunk of steel. So stainless steel again. This hangs on your post prior to running your rails. This allows one person to nail up rails on a wood fence. So this hangs on the post. These tabs are where the rails go for a standard privacy fence. That's adjustable. You can order this in different spacing depending on what you guys are using at your company. This is based on a 7-inch reveal for a 6 foot tall fence. Is the way these tabs are marked out. But it can be adjusted. So you gotta let us know when you order it. But this holds up the rail on one side. So on the other side, I got one person who can nail up the rails by himself. And faster. We find that most of the time, one person can run 3 rails on a privacy fence with the XMan on an average about 1 minute per section. One guy can run rails in 1 minute. You got to come see this. So follow me out in the field and we'll go watch it get used. I know this is pretty new to us. This is the XMan tool. Most of you probably have not even seen it yet. You to run the rails with one person. Typically we have 2 nail guns and 2 people, one person on either side of the section, nailing up each rail together. That's 2 people. With this tool, we're allowed to let one person run the section and averaging about 1 minute a section is what it was taking. One person, right? So more efficient, faster, safer is the goal with this tool. We skipped the gate post